Hi friends, welcome back to my channel for another Graceful Muse Paperie mystery subscription reveal. That's a lot of words. I feel like I need to come up with a better way to say this in the beginning. But hi guys, my name's Cassie. If you're new here, I share all kinds of planner related content on my channel, like these mystery subscriptions that I get every month. What I mean by mystery subscription is you kind of see like a mood board, but you don't know what you're getting. You know like what you're getting, but you don't know what the artwork and everything is going to be entirely. You know, like you choose your sticker collection, I guess maybe that's how I want to call it, like your size and all of that, but you don't really know what you're getting. So if maybe this is your first video watching a subscription and you're like, what does that mean? You subscribe to the type of like bundle that you want to get. I get the decorative bundle and washi paper, and then you get fun surprises every month. Who doesn't love a fun happy surprise, right? So this is our September one. I'm going to go ahead and dive on in here. This is the paper that we get. It obviously varies each month depending on what clip art she's using. This month looks like we've got a coffee theme going on. So we've got this gorgeous scene. It is foiled. It's a nice, like, it's not cardstock, but it's a thicker paper. And then she always has another pattern on the other side. So love this brown gingham. Really good for layering, which you could layer this gorgeous vellum that you get. This one says Hello September. Every month we have one that says Hello in the month. And then this says Fall. Behind every successful person is a substantial amount of coffee. Not for me. I don't like coffee. I like the smell of it, but it's not my thing. I'm a tea girly, but I do love a good coffee kit. So this is like, if you wanted to layer the paper behind it, you know, it kind of goes with the vibe there. You could totally do the gingham behind it. That's also really gorgeous. So lots of options, and you can cut this down if you want to whatever for your personal planner. And then we have all of the gorgeous stickers, you guys. Let me get these guys out of here. So I mentioned before I do get my collection, oops, in washi. Ooh, we have some fun new things in this month. So every month we get a card, like a cardstock. I put it in a frame on my desk. Obviously I did not for this one because I'm very behind. But this one just has coffee, a liquid that smells like fresh ground heaven. And then it has all of her shop information on the back. And this month, you guys, we got some little stickers. How fun is that? Some little like vinyl stickers. We don't normally get vinyl stickers, so this was a fun surprise, just falling out of my little envelope there. And then let me grab another sheet so that I can show you guys these, because washi paper is transparent on the back. So this is our monthly like foiled calendar. Look, it like matches my shirt perfectly. Did not do that on purpose. Okay, so here's our month, the beautiful florals. And then page 1 is journaling kit A. So we've got all kinds of different elements. She keeps like changing the format, and I love that. She's like taking feedback and changing things up, and it just keeps getting better and better. And I already thought it was amazing. So just awesome job. This is coffee, the secret ingredient to adulting. You've got so many, like, look at this torn paper. You've got the little splatter foil, some little scenes. And one of my favorite things about her collections is you get like, this is a nice big scene, and then you've got all these smaller ones too. So depending on how you're using it in your planner, you have different options. Like, look how small that chair is. You can use that in like the weekly calendar if you know, that area is usually smaller. Whereas on your daily pages, you might want something a little bit bigger. And so you do get a lot of variety. I'm obsessed with this here. That is gorgeous. And then journaling kit B, we've got our floral washi strips. These are cut in half. Let's see if I can pull this up. There you go. So you get 2 of those. Oops, already ruining it there. This has some little like shapes and stuff inside of it. So this is not one long strip. It does have shapes in there. You've got some Polaroids. Love this little like coffee stain. This girl, look at the foiling. Her foiling is impeccable. Always my favorite. It's like delicate and dainty and perfect every time. Oh my gosh, the gingham. Ugh, I just love this. Look how that's layered too. So good. Actually, I guess I left those like that. Okay, this is our, it's not washi strips, but they're kind of washi strips. It's floral and torn washi. So there are, like, look at the gingham with the florals. Stop it. And then all the little coffee stuff here. You get more floral, and then like the floral edges. This is in like gold foil in case you can't tell on the camera. Illustrations 1. Illustrations are always my favorite because, you guys, she's just, the attention to detail on these is incredible. Like, look at the foiling on that book with the coffee. To me, that's a Bible. It looks like a Bible, so we're gonna go with that. And she's cozying up in her bed and reading. You've got the little coffee scene here. Oh, that's like the bigger version of that other one. Just so, so gorgeous. And then illustrations too, because one page is not enough, right? We need more. There is a cute little bedside stand with some coffee, the little French press. I think, right? That's a French press. I don't know. You coffee drinkers can correct me down below. And then we've got our little, looks like a little coffee bar. That's so fun. This little cup. This girl outside the coffee shop. The coffee's foiled. Ugh. And then another little book scene. And then this is our washi strips page. So this is also not a washi strip. This has like torn paper, torn edges and stuff. You get more of that foiled washi. Got some gingham. I love that. And then look at this. You guys, this is like the paper, but in a washi form. How pretty is that? Let me go this way. There you go. That is stunning. So beautiful. And then we have large illustrations. So these I always love. If I have like a day where I'm in my journal where I just know like I didn't have a lot going on or not a lot to write, these large illustrations are great because they take up a lot of space and they're beautiful. And then I can just write around them. The brick. She's so good at the foiled brick. Look at that. And then she foiled like on the building. This looks just like magical to me, right? Like fairy dust. Sorry, I'm super close. You got some edges and then another view of like that little coffee bar, just a different angle. And then we have our florals. So pretty, the floral edges, all kinds of different sizes. And then lastly, we have our foiled sheet. You always get this where you get the month. So you can put that on each week if you want. The hello month, the chapter, the date dots, and then all of your days of the week. You also get a this month and then a bunch of other scripts. And these are like so just daintily foiled, you guys. Like, look how pretty that is. It's just so feminine. I feel like her collections are so beautifully feminine. All right, I feel like I ran through that super fast. I hope you're able to see all the detail. I always feel like with the mysteries, I mean, you may be able to still get some of the collections will still be up, but sometimes you can't. And so I'm like, how much time do I spend on this? I don't know. I overthink everything. If you don't know me yet, that's what I do. So let me know if you want me to like spend more detailed time on these or if you guys are like, no, that's plenty. But this is the September mystery. I am on Graceful Muse Paperie's PR team. You cannot use it on the mystery collections, but you can use my code on anything else in the shop. It is Cassie15. That will save you 15%. And then you can put my name in the notes to seller for my freebie if you would like to get that as well. But that's everything for September, guys. I look forward to sharing October with you. It's another really gorgeous one, just heads up. But if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not and you would love to see more things coming from me. I promise there's more coming. But thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I appreciate you giving me a space to gush over beautiful stickers with you. All right, I will see you on the next one. Bye.